this one. It's called Tiny Manale. It's a Scottish song. It's written in Scottish Gaelic by a poet from Ida Flues, but we translated it into Irish Gaelic. It's the same language, more or less. Originally was. Scotland and Ireland was the same culture for centuries, and the same language. And Gaelic is still spoken up in the Western Isles. It's the same as Irish Gaelic is spoken in the western coast of Ireland. But it's the same language, but we translated it into our own Donegal Irish. It's called Tiny Manale. It's a song about the language and how we should stand up and fight for it and not let it disappear, basically. So it's called Tiny Manale.
Gan